We'll start sitting up nice and tall. We'll be working with the Svadhisthana chakra associated with the element water. So go ahead and cup your right hand over your low belly and bring your left hand out to the side like you're holding a tray. And just begin to take a couple of deep breaths. And your right hand instills a sense of comfort and inner nourishment. Your left hand is naturally open to receive healing energy. Take one more full cycle of breath. And then release. Bring your hands to your knees. As you inhale, draw your heart forward. As you exhale, round into your upper back. A couple of seated cat-cows. Inhaling, arching, and exhaling, rounding into the upper back, moving with your own breath. Then release. Right hand comes out to the side, left arm comes up and over, side bending, and the left arm swoops over to the left, the right arm comes up and over, and then just go back and forth, swooping the top arm down and around, side bending to the other side. Couple more times. Last one. And go ahead and come on to the all fours. Extend your right leg back with the toes. Cat-cow. Inhale, arch the back. And exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Now extend the left leg back. Then float the leg and extend your right arm. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, extend right arm, left leg back. Exhale, round, elbow to knee. Keep going with your own breath like you're moving through water, creating your own resistance. And then switch sides, extend the right leg back with the toes tucked. Then float that leg, extend the left arm, roll the outer right hip down. Exhale, elbow in towards knee. Inhale, extend left arm and right leg. Exhale, round. Keep going. Good. Then come to the all fours. Bring the hands a little forward of your shoulders. Press the hips up and back, down dog. You can pedal out the feet or move in a way, any way that feels good, no wrong or right. And then start to walk feet to hands, forward fold. Take hold of opposite elbows, bend the knees as much as you need. Can sway a little side to side if that feels good. And release and ragdoll your way up to stand. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, step your left foot back, lower the knee. Inhale, reach the arms up, low lunge. Exhale, hands frame the front foot, step back to plank, pull the belly in. And then lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, low cobra. Use your back muscles more than your arms. Exhale, lower down, tuck the toes, press up and back, down dog. Inhale, reach the left leg up and back. Exhale, step it in between the hands, lower the back knee down. Inhale, sweep the arms up, shift hips forward. Exhale, hands frame the foot, step forward, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep the arms up, slight back bend if it feels good. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale the arms up, slight back bend. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step the right foot back, lower the knee, reach the arms up. Exhale the hands down, step back to plank, lengthen from crown out through your heels. Shift forward about an inch, lower either knees, chest, chin, or chaturanga. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, down dog. Inhale your right leg up and back. Exhale, step it in between the hands, lower the back knee. Anjaneyasana, low lunge. Exhale the hands down, tuck the back toes, step forward, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach the arms up, reach tall. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, sink the hips, reach the arms alongside the ears, pull the belly in and up. Exhale, chest to thighs, wing your arms back. Inhale, chair. Exhale, chest to thighs. Inhale, chair. Exhale, chest to thighs. Inhale, chair. This time bring your right leg up with you and then step it back to high lunge. Press out through the back heel, zip up through your core. And spin that back heel down and open up to warrior two. Keeping that left knee tracking right in the middle of the left foot. Come forward, flip the palm, reverse warrior. Exhale, left forearm to left thigh. The right arm comes up and over, side angle. Inhale, reverse warrior. Keep the bend in the right knee. Exhale, forearm to thigh, side angle. Inhale, reverse. And then straighten the left knee. Keep reversing back. Arms to a T, shifts hips back, triangle pose. Left hand comes to a block, shin, foot, or floor. Right arm reaches straight up. Pull the belly in. Good. And gaze down at the front foot. Bring the left hand to your hip. Bring the right hand to your hip. The left hand to a block a little forward of your shoulder and over to the left, and reach your right arm up. Float the right leg, half moon. Really expand and land lightly in warrior two. Parallel your feet, hands to hips. Lift your chest and exhale, hinge from your hips, wide angle fold. Inhale, half lengthen the spine. Then start to crawl yourself to the top of the mat to a lunge. Plant your right hand, reach your left arm up. Then bring your left arm forward and just make a couple of circles in that direction. And then go ahead and switch directions. And hands frame the foot, step back to plank. Either move through your vinyasa or skip it, pressing back to down dog or child's pose. And we meet back in down dog. Take a couple of breaths either in down dog or child's pose. And gaze forward, make your way to the top of the mat. Halfway lift as you inhale, and exhale to fold. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, bend the knees, sink the hips, arms alongside the ears, chair. Then start to come to stand. Bring your left knee up with you and then slowly send it back to high lunge. Zip up through your core. Good. Then open up, warrior two. Back leg is really strong. Right knee in the middle, tracking in the middle of the foot. And reverse warrior. Exhale, right forearm to thigh, left arm reaches over, spin chest and belly up towards the ceiling, and then inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, reverse. And then slowly straighten the right leg, keep reversing back. Arms to a T, shift the hips back, reach right arm forward, and then down for triangle. Pull the belly in. Either softly gaze straight ahead or up towards your top hand. Now gaze down at your foot. Left hand comes to your hip. Step that back foot in about halfway. Take a block and place it a little forward of your right shoulder and over to the right as you float your left leg up. Once you're steady, you can reach that left arm up and softly gaze straight ahead. Good. Then slowly start to come out. Come back to warrior two. And then parallel your feet. Interlace fingers. Roll the heart open. Then exhale, fold. Just let the breath move the fists towards the floor. And hands come down to the mat. Inhale halfway. Slowly crawl yourself back to a lunge. Plant your left hand, reach your right arm up, and then move the arm forward and down, just making a couple of big circles with the arm. Then go the other direction. And then the next time it comes around and down, hands plant, step the foot back, plank, shift forward about an inch, lower either knees, chest, chin, or chaturanga. Oh, lower all the way down to the belly, sorry. And then inhale, lift the chest, lift the legs, Shalabhasana. Your back muscles are working, hamstrings are working. It's good warrior three prep. Take one more breath. And then press up and back, down dog. Inhale the left leg up and back. Exhale, to the lunge, to high lunge. I had to switch legs. Left leg steps forward. Inhale, reach the arms up. Zip up through your core. Exhale, wing your arms back. Bring chest to the front thigh. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, bring chest towards left thigh. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, pull the belly in and bring chest towards thigh. Inhale, reach the arms up. Then bring hands to heart center. Press the hands together. Feel the midline of the body. Baby hop that back foot forward and then float it up for warrior three. Roll your outer right hip down. Really extend from crown out through your heels. If you want an added challenge, extend your arms forward. Really reach, steady breath. And then land lightly back in high lunge. Hands to heart center. Exhale to twist right elbow outside left knee. Use your core to twist. Option to fly your arms open. And then hands come back to heart center. Hands frame the foot, step back to plank. And either move through your vinyasa or press back to down dog or child's pose. Steady yourself wherever you are. Steady breath. And then inhale your right leg up and back. Again, I have the wrong leg lifted. And then step it in between the hands and inhale up to high lunge with the right leg forward. Exhale, bring your chest to your right thigh. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, pull the belly in, chest to thigh, wing the arms back. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, chest to thigh. And inhale, bring the arms up. And hands come to heart center. Feel the midline of the body. Press the hands together. Baby hop the back foot forward as you float that back leg up. Roll the outer left hip down. Really extend from crown out through your back heel. Reach the arms forward for an added challenge. Hands can always come down to the mat or onto blocks. Then land lightly back in high lunge. Hands together at heart center. And then bring the left elbow to the outside of the right knee, twisting. I had to switch it up because I had the wrong leg forward. And then option to fly your arms open. And hands back to heart center. And then low lunge, step it back to plank. Shift forward, lower either knee, chest, chin, or chaturanga. And exhale, down dog. Take one more full cycle of breath. Then lower the knees and come to a high kneeling position. Draw the hip points towards each other and lengthen the tail. Then the right hand comes back to your right heel. Reach the left arm up. Left arm swoops down into the left heel. The right arm reaches up. Keep going. So you can always bring the hand to your low back for more support as you back bend. Good. Then go ahead and take a seat and bring the legs out around in front. Sit up nice and tall in staff pose. Hug your right knee in and extend your left arm up. As you exhale, twist to the right. Left fingertips come behind. Use the inhale to lengthen, the exhale to twist a little deeper. And then come back to center. Let the right knee go out to the side. Right sole of the foot inside left thigh. Exhale to fold. And then inhale. The right hand comes behind you. Lift your hips up. Exhale. Fold over your left leg. Inhale. Right hand comes behind. Left arm comes up and over. Lift the hips. Exhale. Fold. And then one more time. Right hand comes behind. Lift the hips up as you inhale. Exhale. This time as you fold, stay for 3 breaths. Leading with the heart. And then inhale, come back up. And just swing your left leg around behind you for pigeon pose. And as you exhale, fold over. You can either bring your forehead to a block or stacked fists, or maybe you're reaching the arms out long. Forehead comes down to the mat. Take 3 deep breaths. Inhale, slowly come back up. And then go ahead and swing the left leg back around in front. And place your left ankle over your right knee. The shins are parallel to the front of the mat. If that's not working, keep the right leg extended in fire log pose. So make sure shins are as close as you can, parallel to the front of the mat. Sit up nice and tall. And then exhale to fold any amount, or you may be staying upright. If it's already plenty of a hip stretch, keep both feet flexed. And then bring the soles of the feet to the mat and just gently let the knees windshield wiper side to side. Extend the legs back out into staff. Sit up tall. Bring the left knee in. Hug it in. Sit up tall. Left knee goes out. Oops. Right arm extends up. Exhale. Twist to the left. Use the inhale to lengthen. Exhale to twist a little deeper. And then gently unwind back to center. Left knee goes out to the side for Janu Shirshasana. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come back up. Left hand behind. Lift the hips up. Exhale, set the hips down. Fold over the right leg. Inhale, come back up. Left hand comes behind. Right arm comes up and over. Exhale, fold over the leg. One more time, lifting the hips up. And this time, as you exhale, hold Janu Shirshasana for 3 breaths. Inhale to lengthen and exhale to fold in a little deeper, any amount. Good, then gently come back up and swing your right leg around behind you for pigeon. And press your left shin down and draw the left hip back. Fold over into pigeon. Take several long, slow, deep breaths. And then swing the back leg around. Bring the right ankle over the left knee as best you can, stacking shins which are parallel to the front edge of the mat. Sit up nice and tall, and then exhale to fold. If that's not working, keep that bottom leg extended straight out in front. One more full cycle of breath. And then gently come back up and gently bring the soles of the feet down to the mat and let the knees windshield wiper. And then come back to center and slowly roll down using your core to come all the way down. Soles of the feet about hip distance apart. Broaden your chest, drawing the shoulder blades towards each other. Inhale, bring your arms up and over, lift your hips. Exhale, the hips down, the arms down alongside the body. Inhale, reach the arms overhead, lift the hips. And exhale, slowly lower the hips, lower the arms. Inhale, reach the arms overhead, lift the hips. You can either keep your arms there or lower them back down as you set up to hold bridge for a couple of breaths. So inhaling, lifting the hips. If you'd like, you can interlace fingers underneath you and roll onto the shoulders. Roll the inner thighs towards each other. Slowly lower, bring the soles of the feet together, let the knees go wide, rest the arms wherever it's comfortable. Just releasing any self-doubt. Just know that you're worthy, that you're enough. And then go ahead and bring the knees back together. If you have a block handy, set it under the hips as you extend the legs up towards the ceiling for like a legs up the wall, away from the wall. And you can simply keep your hips on the mat if you don't have a block. And gently bring the soles of the feet back down. You can remove a block if you have one. Hug the knees in. Bring the arms out to a T. Shift hips over to the right and lower the knees to the left. You can take the gaze over the opposite shoulder if it feels okay on your neck. If you'd like, the left hand can come to the top of the right knee or thigh. And gently come back to center. Shift the hips off to the left. Draw the knees in and lower them over to the right. Taking the gaze to the left. And each exhale, just softening a little more into it. And come back to center. Happy baby. Reach for the outer edges of the feet. Draw knees in towards the armpits. Or you can grab your ankles or shins or whatever's available. And go ahead and set up for Shavasana. You can keep your soles of the feet on the mat with the knees bent, or bring the feet to the edges of the mat. Let them flop open. Draw the shoulder blades towards each other. The palms are face up, open to receive. Imagine you're floating safely in a warm pool of water. And inhale a deep breath in, filling the lower abdomen and the ribs and all the way to the top of the lungs. Pause. And then exhale long and deep, releasing everything. Imagine the water beneath and around you, supporting you. Start to wiggle the fingers and the toes and circle the wrists and the ankles. Let the head rock side to side. Reach the arms up overhead. Take a stretch. And then gently roll off to your right side. Gently press yourself up to a seat. Sit up nice and tall. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me. Namaste.